Right here, we are looking at the Ikeja Red Line train terminal. This Red Line train terminal is actually one of the biggest terminals of the Red Line train, and this terminal it's not meeting its full potential. On today's video, we'll be discussing why this terminal looks like it failed, but actually it has full and good potentials which isn't being used to the fullest. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification to be the first to watch any of my videos whenever I post a new video. So right now, this is inside the terminal. I will be showing you inside the terminal and some things you might also know. I'll also show you the flyover bridge which connects this terminal to the main express of Ikeja and how it's connected to the computer village, and also the new overhead bridge construction, how it connects both together. This is one of the best terminals that I've seen. Very big, massive, well maintained, clean and conducive. But what else? This terminal isn't functioning like it was proposed to. This is one of the terminals that were proposed to for over 200,000 passengers every day, but it is not even saying 100. Right here is the overhead bridge which connects the train terminal, and with this bridge you could also walk into the terminal and walk out of the terminal through the other exit which connects you into the Jara Mall and computer village itself. So if you're not taking that direction and you wish to return, this bridge will also bring you back to the main Ikeja Express, which also connects to the newly overhead bridge that was built. So this flyover is actually one of the longest, though some of my viewers told me that the longest was found in Ojota, a very massive one. I haven't seen it and I haven't gone there to make a video about it, but to the flyovers that I've seen, this is actually the biggest that I have actually seen. It is very long, and walking on this flyover, it's very tiring. It was built in two different styles. Like you could actually ride a motorcycle or a bicycle on it to get to the top, and you could actually use the staircase to walk to the top. So it's two pattern that was used on this road. And aside from that, I also actually noticed that this flyover has a lot of beautiful views. Standing on this flyover, you could see the whole of Murtala Mohammed International Airport. You could see all the planes parked, both the spoils and the good one. You could also see the planes landing, and from here you could see the runway. So this flyover is very high, and it's also made of iron, and it will require lots of maintenance for this flyover to last for a very long time, because iron actually rusts, and especially when it is exposed to rain, sun. So it's unlike the the casted ones that used to be built around the Marina Maitu area. Those ones will last longer compared to this one. And actually this one was built this way because in the nearest future it might be removed, or rather it might be upgraded to something better, and that is why. Inside the terminal, you will realize there are spaces for stores and other things to be developed, like eatery, pharmacy, and co. But at the moment, none of these stores has been taken, and it looks very, very scanty. The time I arrived here, the train just left few minutes, and you notice there's no single person on this area, which means even the train didn't take a lot of passengers, neither did it drop. So most people take the train from Oyimbo to the last bus stop, which is Agbado, and just few people stop along the terminals, and mostly that is why this terminal is scanty. By the time I came here, the security officers were sleeping, There was no one at the front desk. The ticketing manager wasn't there, so it was all looking quiet and empty. No music playing. When you get to the My 2 terminal, it's always busy. If you go to Marina, very very busy. So those places already are building and developing little stores. The one at Marina already had a store, a pharmacy, an eatery, and these things actually help you to get comfortable before taking your train ride. What do you think concerning this video? Please do enjoy.